this video, we will be understanding what UX and UI is, how they are different, and how they come together to make a great product. But before that, you will find online that there are a lot of abstract and conceptual terms describing the differences between a UX and UI designer. Everyone has their own opinion about this. So, to understand UX and UI better, let's start by taking an example. Here's my Amazon screen. So take a look at it. What catches your eye? Starting at the top, you see that there's a search bar, a back button, an image. And as you move down, you will notice text of different sizes, styles, colors, each adding its own touch. So all this from the spacing between these different elements, the shapes of buttons, to the colors used. That's what we call as the user interface or UI. When you open an app or a website, the visual design you encounter is all part of UI. Let's say you want to purchase an Android phone from a store. What do you do? First, you do your research about different phones. You pick out your budget and the features that you're looking for. And once you finalize the Android phone, you go to a store and purchase it. Let's say I want to purchase the same Android phone through an app like Amazon. So what do? I first read the information, then add, and if I like it, I add this phone to the cart, and then I proceed to checkout. As you can see here that your digital experience of purchasing a phone is very similar to your store experience, making it convenient for you to purchase this phone. So you can say that user experience is about how easy and enjoyable it is for you to interact with and use these things. UX designers work to make sure that everything feels smooth, simple, and satisfying. But here's a catch. Let's say I want to make a payment using GPay. What do? I first open the app, type in my security code, and then proceed to make a payment, which would again require me to type a security code to complete my payment. So you will say that there are a lot of steps here, and you might be wondering that this is making my experience a little difficult. Then why did the user experience designer here choose this difficult step? Because as a user, I'm trusting this app to make transactions, so the safety of my money is a topmost priority here. Even if I have to take some time to type in my security codes, my experience of having a safe transaction tops the need to making the transaction process simpler by avoiding the security codes. So this is a very important to remind ourselves as UX designers. Now that we've seen what UX and UI is, and till now we've treated UX and UI to be separate fields, but in reality, UI is a subset of UX. We start the entire UX process by doing some research and gaining insights about the problem that we are trying to solve. Once we do that, we define our audience and then we prepare a strategy to solve this problem. And once we do that, we create a structure. Creating a structure includes the way we want our application or website to look like. And once we do that, we go to the visual design. We add in colors, prototype it, and once that is done, the development process starts. We've seen that UX and UI actually do complement each other. Let's just summarize again. Think of UX as a friendly guide who makes sure everything is smooth and easy when you're using a website or app. They think about what you need, where you will click, and how you will feel while using it. Just like a well planned road trip, UX helps you get from point A to point B without any roadblocks. Now imagine UI as the artist who makes things look cool and inviting. They pick colors, shapes, pictures, and make you want to explore more. So UI makes the trip enjoyable and exciting. So this is all about UX and UI. In the next video, we will be starting about the first step of user experience design, which is research. Thank you.